Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, November 17. For today, we will be looking at the chart of the DAX. This is a German index, 45 minutes chart here. We can see from this chart now that we ended this with two pullback at 11,450. Since then, we have started to rally again, and the rally looks impulsive. Structure is 1 2 3 4, now finishing up with 5 to finish a 5 waves up from here. Okay, that will end with 1 in the intermediate degree, so this is with 1 of 3, right? So we are currently within the wave 3, right? With 3 in the uh, in this primary degree is going to be subdivided into another 5 waves, so we will finish this with 1 of 3 right here. Then after that we will get a with 2 of 3, okay, and then followed by for the upside as long as the pullback stays above 11,450 right here. So this is going to be in the invalidation level. All right, and what this chart means then is we do like for the upside, the right direction still is going to go up. Now the arrow is black in color. Typically when you do have a sequence, it will be green, but this one is black, and the reason for that is if you look at the larger degree. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Now I'm putting here this wave 2 in black here in this daily chart so that it is obvious what we are looking at. So if this is wave 2, then this means this is wave 1, right? And so we are talking about the rally that started in March. This is March. This is when every indices form a low during that COVID-19 news sell-off. Okay, so since then DAX has rallied over here, and then this pullback ended here. Right, so it's a pretty shallow pullback, but it is a 3 waves, 1 2 3, telling us this is a correction, not an impulse, right? And since then we have started to rally again. Now the reason that this arrow is black is because we still have not broken above the previous high, right? This is the wave 1 over there. Now a break above 1 will confirm that this correction is really over, and then at minimum we can see upside extension into 100%. Typically with 3 can be even more than that. It can even go all the way to 161.8, but at the least when you do have a high sequence, it can at least get into the 100%. Now we don't yet have the confirmation, like I said, because we have not broken above 1, but by the look of it, how it looks impulsive, I think if we are talking about probability, then probability wise, then we should be looking to extend higher and break eventually. Besides, if you look at other indices to correlate, now another kind of correlated but and also similar index to the DAX is the Euro Stocks. Now Euro Stocks technically is not just a German index. This is a Eurozone index, right? So it has, but primarily it's a Germany company as well as French companies. Now if you take a look at the Euro Stocks here, you see the index has broken above the previous peak here, which is the July 22nd, right? July 22nd. So we, in the Euro Stocks, we do see a high already here, right? So if they are similar in nature to the DAX, that means the Euro Stocks is also 1 here, 2 here, and we have already broken above that one, right? July 22nd. You can see here, this is September the 3rd. Now yeah, granted it's a little bit different here, the date, this is the July 22nd, but still it's the same concept. We should be able to, and by the look of it, this looks impulsive, eventually likely breaking above here, and if it does break, then that will confirm the high and therefore extending higher. So in the meantime, this is not to say okay, let's sell this because the chart is calling for the down, pulling back like this, right? So that's the key to understand how to trade Even if we know the forecast in the Elliott wave, doesn't mean every single swing is something we should be trading, right? That's not the right way to trade. And we do like more upside, as we can see here in the direction of the arrow and also in the forecast. And any pullback from here, we expect more upside against 11,450 for the upside. So for example, from here, if we go down instead of going up, then we have to adjust the count, perhaps calling 3 and 4 here, right? And this is ending 5, and it doesn't really change too much. What it means, let's say if this doesn't play out and it goes down, for example, what that means then is just that um, wave 1 ended here and we are doing a wave 2, and then still expected to find support right here, 1 2 3 from the next leg higher, right? Another alternate, like talking about alternate, right? Another alternate is we don't even get this pullback. So how can we adjust if we don't get this pullback? Simple. Then you adjust wave 2 finish here, and so we are already in the wave 3. If that's the case, we will never get a bigger pullback. All we got is like a small pullback like this in 3 waves against this previous low, and then it continues to go up. Okay, just keep that in mind. So the right side is higher, and we eventually looking for the upside, and any pullback should continue to find support in 3,711 swing against this low in late October. Okay, so hope that is clear. And as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.